How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Razer Blackshark V3 Pro to your computer, PS5, or mobile. So it's going to be extremely simple. If you basically have three modes of connecting your headset to your devices, and we can go ahead and use all of these connections depending on the device. So first things first, we have the wired connection. In here, it's extremely simple. You just have to plug the USB-C cable onto the headphones right here, and then plug the other end onto the device that you want to connect with, maybe a PS5 controller, maybe your cell phone, or maybe to your computer. So just go ahead and plug the other end onto the device, and from there it will simply connect. The second one is going to be this USB dongle. It's going to be the 2.4 gigahertz connection. So with this one, you could just plug it onto a USB port on your PC or on your PS5 and turn it on. Now you can simply turn it on by switching modes by tapping on the smart switch button 2 times. And basically from there, you will then switch between modes. Now the modes that I'm going to talk about is the wireless USB dongle mode, and we have the Bluetooth mode. Of course, if you then want to connect it onto your mobile devices, you can just switch over to Bluetooth, head over to the Bluetooth connection of your mobile devices, look for the Razer Blackshark V3 Pro, and from there you will then be connected. And then if you want to navigate back to the wireless USB dongle, just double press on this button right here, and simply you should be good to go. Once again, you have three modes of connection: a wired connection, the wireless USB dongle that you have to plug onto the device, and of course, Bluetooth connection. So you could connect it to any Bluetooth device right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.